The next divine name is Al-Barr, which means the doer of good. The source of all good in both worlds is none other than Allah, the Exalted. Even the decrees of Allah, the Exalted, which may seem harmful, contain much good for the creation. For example, divine punishment in this world encourages one to reform one's behavior before their time runs out. The Muslim who understands this name will observe each decree and choice of Allah, the Exalted, in a positive way, knowing that all His decrees possess good, even if they are not obvious to them. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
This will aid them in remaining patient in times of difficulty and grateful in times of ease. A Muslim will act on this divine name by using the inspiration, strength, opportunity and knowledge granted to them by Allah, the Exalted, for doing good. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. The more one remains firm on doing good, the more Allah, the Exalted, will empower their mind and body to do more good. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6502. Divine love and care will then encompass them in both worlds. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 195.
Indeed, Allah loves the doers of good.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.